Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're in Bali. Today we're heading for Lombok. We won't get the ferry today, but we will we'll get to Padang Bai, where the ferry leaves from, if you remember in the 2022 videos. We got the slow boat across from there, and yes, we'll be in Lombok tomorrow lunchtime. This is really nice, guys. This is where I stayed, the Jimbuana Hotel in Negara. It's nice, comfy room, good Wi-Fi, good food, and we're ready to go. The Jimbuana Hotel in Negara. This is a really quiet part of Bali, guys. It's not a party place or anything. This is where you come to relax. But I enjoyed it. It was cheap enough, well, inexpensive enough's a better word, because cheap makes things sound bad. But this was really good. Breakfast was amazing. Everyone's staff were really friendly and everything. But let's get on the road, go and see the Lost Creator House. Well, I was just doing some editing, and I realised the one clip was corrupted. So I'll explain to you. Where I'm going now is the Lost Creator House. I'm a member of an online school for YouTube and Instagram and everything. It's called Lost Creator Academy. It was put together by Christian LeBlanc from the Lost LeBlanc channel. And yeah, so I've been a member of them for ages. I was one of the first 50 people to join. There's about 5,000 or 6,000 members now. Yeah, so I'm going ahead. He built a creator hotel in Bali for people to go. There's big workstations, amazing accommodation, swimming pools and everything, and it's a place for creators to come and stay. Some people stay there for months at a time, collaborate with other people, get ideas from other people, work with like-minded people. So yeah, that's where we're heading now. It just dawned on me, guys, I'm riding my own motorbike across Bali. Pretty cool. Beautiful, guys. It's a warm morning, but I've got my vest on. I don't know if I've explained to you about this vest for a while, so I'll talk about it again. Those crystals that absorb water, people put them in flower vases and things. Well, this vest is inlaid with those crystals, so I just soak it for an hour or two. I actually leave it in a bucket of water overnight, and then it keeps my shirt damp. 6 or 7 hours sometimes, maybe even more. Kind of like air conditioning for a motorbike. And now we're riding along some of Bali's famous surf. This is where Bali first got famous in the 70s, with all the surfers coming over here. Taking me off the main roads Google Maps has, into this beautiful windy road through the jungle. Amazing, guys. I'm about 30 minutes from Lost Creator House. We'll have a quick look around there, then we're heading for Padang Bai. Probably told you that already. So we'll be in Padang Bai before 2 o'clock. Stay there tonight, get the early morning ferry. If you like, I have to get the slow boat because I've got the bike, but you can get the fast boat that goes via Gili's Island, the Gili Islands. There's a few of them, but the slow boat takes you to southwest Lombok. It'll be maybe an hour's ride up to Mataram, and there's a beautiful hotel, one of my favourite hotels I stayed at last time I was in Mataram. They've got a special on that's about $30 US, so as soon as I'm sure I'm getting the boat tomorrow, so tonight in Padang Bai, I'll book a couple of nights there, and then we head for Sumbawa. Well guys, I've seen this drink a bit since I've been in Bali. I think it's tonic water, but someone swears to me it's soda water, so wish me luck. I was right, it's tonic water. That's what alright, it was worth a try because I see this everywhere. I watched this place being built from the ground up on Facebook, not for real, but this is it, I think. Maybe and this is it, guys. And guys, this is it. I saw this from the plans being built up. Now I'm here. What a spin out. They just told me to have a swim, which was a mistake because I didn't want to get out. I've been here maybe nearly an hour now, but I've got to get some miles up. So let's hit the road, say goodbye to our fellow creators, and get to Padang Bai. Well, that was pretty cool, guys. A nice long swim. But one of the guys I met, Matthias, he's going to put me on to a guy who backs people like me. So he might be able to help with the tuk-tuk thing. We'll find out soon, but I'm excited. I'm really glad I went there. That was even though I was only there about an hour, that was some inspirational people. Look where we are. Just amazing. And we're about 15 minutes from Padang Bai. So I'm going to pull up somewhere up here, find a hotel. Morning. This is where I'm staying, the Mimba. I've hardly been out of this swimming pool. Look at this, guys. Padang Bai. You'll remember from the 2022 video. Yeah, this place is great. $15 a night. The Mimba Luxury Hotel or something. It's called Luxuryville. It's really nice, guys. I thought I had it to myself, but a heap of people turned up last night. Ooh. Here she is with all the little baby ones. Today we'll get the ferry across to Lombok. We've booked the Lombok Astoria, which is one of my favourite hotels. About 25 US a night on one of those booking.com specials. So, well guys, last time I bought my ticket from the office over here, but now everything's online, so it's different. I do remember when I came through here, it was more expensive than when I bought it there, but that's alright, we'll get it here. It's taking a bit longer than last time, than usual for this ferry. They wanted all the documents for the bike, and I said, no, come on guys. Sir, that way. Yeah, so I would have had to take everything off the bike. Lombok.
Ticket.
1 minute. Last time we did this, we were pretty much the only white people on this boat, and that jetty over there was just packed with people. Now there's no one over there, well, only a few, and this boat's got quite a few. So maybe people took my advice and decided to get the slow boat. I hope she's alright. They made me park her front back. So I hope she's alright, which she should be. Even if she falls over, she's got the saddlebags to protect her. Well, it's a different boat than last time. I can't find any outside seats. Last time I got to sit, like this deck was all seats. I got to sit right about here. Anyway, I'll find somewhere. Hey guys, this is Ali. She's been keeping me company at Lombok. We're here already. 3 hours just whizzed past thanks to her conversation. And she's going south, I'm going north from here. And you know guys, she's a tattooist and she didn't bring her ink or a gun, so we could have been sitting here on the ferry for the last 3 hours inking me up, but that's life. But here we are. If you remember in 2022, this is where we pulled into. Those who are following me for a while will remember me walking off exactly here nearly 2 years ago. Yeehaw! Lombok, ladies and gentlemen. And if you remember, just up here, the other side of those red gates is where we got the minibus last time. Just somewhere near here anyway. Now, quite a few tourists on this one. When we did it last time, everyone had gone on the fast boat, but there's quite a few people on this one. I like coming back to somewhere. As much as I like going new places, it's always really exciting. Like I recognise this, and just I didn't get the camera on in time, but there's a sort of archway back there, red and yellow, wrought iron. Back in Mataram. And also you'll remember just where the mosque is here, just near there, I went to extend my visa last time I was here and they told me don't do it here, it'll take forever, it's so busy. And they sent me to Sambal Bazaar. But yeah, that's just up in this area. This is all the embassies and things here. That was a fun couple of days. Now I'm at the Lombok Astoria enjoying the swimming pool. Now I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.